start that recording. So what you're going to see up here is you'll see a lap time, and then it'll show us where we are relative to the last lap. All kinds of stuff. All right. Really good. So you're going to use your legs mainly in our braking zones. There's not a, you can hold on to that if you want to hold on to that. That's your handle. On the right hand side, you don't really have anything to hold on to. We're going to go out for about 10 minutes in this group.
No, we just black flagged it. Got a car off, got a little bit of fire.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll hang tight.
What's that?
We'll hang tight.
All right.
Thank you.
We may end up, I don't think we're going to get this group back out.
All right.
You want to go out next group?
I'll go out next group. We'll go in right now.
All right. Well, like I said, if you want to go out next group and be first in line, kind of go around and line up at the pylon.
All right. Did you hear what he said?
Yes, sir. Black flag.
Black flag. We got a fire, so that's gonna take what time? What is the next group? Look at this. Oh, crap! I can't see it. 10:35. It's the advanced group. We'll go out with them. They're annoying, but it's okay. We'll get out first anyway. We're going to see a lot of passing. Let's get to what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so the fire means like some engine could have gone on fire?
Yeah, what's probably happened is an oil line is busted. And then it, will spray oil. Yeah, we're not going to say it. It'll spray oil in the hot exhaust, and then it'll start on fire. That's what typically happens. Although it also can be a brake line, because brake fluid can cause the same thing.
It was a false alarm. Go ahead and head back out.
Oh, okay. All right, we gotta get everything set here quick. Alright. And as we're traveling down, we got road Atlanta going. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's go. Side, once we turn the corner up here, you can pull your arm around. What'd you think?
Oh my goodness, that was so cool. I've never experienced anything like that.
It's a totally different.
I think it's crazy that this thing's street legal and like can do this too.
Yep.
That's like mind blowing to me.
It is really phenomenal that you got a car, you drive off the show floor basically. High temperature brake fluid, we talked about that, and different brake pads. Other than that, it's a stock vehicle.
It's insane, and it just handles so good. The turns and everything.
Yeah.
So you drive more aggressive than that when you're by yourself?
Way. Yeah, way more.
Really?
And that's what I told you. You'll find it hard to believe when I say that.
What do you come in faster or brake harder?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
I thought there's so much stuff happening